Good, you're doing good. Oh, you can feel the bones already starting to move in there. Good, right there. Good.
Wow.
Right in here. Right there. This one should, you feel that?
Yeah, like 3 just went.
Yeah, again. That's crazy. Yeah, your neck is really, let this go. Good.
And we're gonna get some movement here through the spine. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Very good. You okay? Here, there. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Lay facing the opposite way for me. Good. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. All right, excellent.
All right. Take a deep breath in and all the way out.
That's easy breath.
Oh.
It's still an intense adjustment, but that was smooth. Okay, get your neck here. Anybody that doesn't think this is a serious adjustment or technical expertise, just ask Joseph.
Quedas como yo.
De medio lado. Ajá, descarga la cabeza.
Oye.
Arrime la cámara acá. De medio lado. Suelta. Suelta.
Oye.
Descarga el cuerpo.
Oye.
Inhala. Exhala.
Oye.
Inhala. Exhala.
Oye.
Ajá. Inhala. Exhala. ¿Rompió?
Oye.
Exhala. Inhala. Exhala.
Oye.
Inhala. Suelte. Suelte, mi vida. Inhala. Exhala. Inhala. Exhala. Lleva la cabeza arriba. Atrás. Exacto. Okay.
Good. Don't touch, just relax. Relax.
Oh.
Relax. Relax. Drop all the weight in my hand.
Let your breath all the way out. Let your head drop. That's the rest of it. A little longer. Yeah, good job.